It's at the Hotel Beresford Arms. Watch this. Oh boy. Alright, time to ride up Montgomery. Fun. Is it here?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too.
Oh, fancy cab. And here's your COP. Good Lord, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? Good Lord, kill it with fire. Jesus Christ. A California Code A series is the scariest thing I ever saw. Good God, that thing's horrifying. Ah! No! Fuck that. You know, this is the Beresford Arms. I prefer to stay at the Beresford Legs. Instant dislike of the video. And I need to take a shit. Not gonna lie, this thing's kind of baller. Well, it would be if it didn't take 8 hours to level. Look at that. That is nasty. Ugh. Oh God, I literally got cancer from looking at that. And it's gonna open anytime soon. There we go.